Hey everyone, so I'm here today to show you the best way, the easiest way to polish your headlights. So, there's no polishing involved at all actually. So, here is a after, here's a before. After. Before. Now I'm going to shut the lights off so you can see what they look like when they're off, how foggy this one is and how clear the other one is. So this is before and this is after. And here's a trick. I'll show you the trick now. Right here. Deep woods off spray. That is the whole trick right here. So what you want to do first is maybe a little soap and water. Let's see, I'll just put a little water. A little soap and water. Wipe off your light. Get it somewhat clean. And just like really hard to see through. Like you can't even see through that at all. Like you can't see the bulb at all. It's super foggy. But watch as you spray some of this on. There it is after. So it's crystal clear and nice. Perfect. But the trick is to, after you spray the off woods on, you don't want to wipe it afterwards. You just want to do a nice even layer over the whole light and just leave it alone for like probably a whole week and let it dry. Don't wipe it at all. And wipe off the excess that got off. I sprayed overspray. Wipe off the excess. But don't wipe off the lens. Because if you wipe it off, it's going to smear it, make it worse. You're going to have to re-clean it all off real nice and good and with soap and water. And then just water to make it nice and clean. And then you're going to have to let it dry and redo it again. So just spray some off woods on it and your lenses will be perfectly clear. You really don't even have to do anything. If you don't want to rinse it off with water first and just wipe it down, just spray the off spray on it and just leave it alone for like a week. It'll be perfectly clear. So I want to add in one thing real quick too. With this off woods bug spray, like it works amazing, and it only works on plastic headlight lenses. So if you have a glass headlight lens, you don't want to spray it on there. It probably won't even do anything. Actually, I haven't even tried it, but probably won't do anything. This is only like it works on just a nice smooth plastic headlight lenses. You just want to spray a nice light coat on it, and that's it. You just let it dry for like a week, maybe even a little longer, and just let it dry. Don't wipe it, and it'll stay nice and clear, and it'll dry up nice and clear, and you don't have to polish at all. No polishing, no scrubbing, no nothing. It'll literally take you maybe 5 seconds to do your headlights if you wanted to. If you don't have to wipe them off with water either. It could take you 5 seconds. Spray one headlight real fast, spray the other headlight real fast, and your headlight lenses will be like perfect. So don't forget, if you like this and it works for you, click like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment saying what you think. Thanks. There you go. And I'll have some more videos coming soon.